To link Google Tag Manager to Teachable, start by creating a Google Tag Manager account and setting up a container for your Teachable site. Log into your Google Tag Manager account and click on Create Account. Then select Web as the container type and enter your Teachable site URL. Next, create a new tag in Google Tag Manager by clicking on Tags and then New. And select Google Analytics as the tag type. Enter your Google Analytics tracking ID and set the trigger to all pages. Now, log into your Teachable site and navigate to Settings. Then Advanced, and click on Custom CSS and JavaScript. In the JavaScript section, paste the Google Tag Manager container code and save changes. To verify that Google Tag Manager is working correctly, log into your Google Tag Manager account and click on Preview. Then enter your Teachable site URL and click on the Connect button. This will allow you to test and verify that your tags are firing correctly. To track specific events on your Teachable site, such as course completions or purchases, you will need to set up triggers and tags in Google Tag Manager. For example, to track course completions, you can set up a trigger for the course completion event and a tag to send the event data to Google Analytics. Best practices for linking Google Tag Manager to Teachable include regularly checking your tags and triggers to ensure they are working correctly, and testing and verifying any changes before publishing them to your live site. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively link Google Tag Manager to Teachable and gain valuable insights into your site's performance and user behavior.